Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to meal prep some stuff for dinner. Richard just wants to be included. Say something.
Hey guys.
Go ahead, act like it's your channel.
Welcome to my channel. Is this too close? Oh, no.
You have to look into here.
It's kind of weird.
Yeah, I know. Anyways.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Here, you
Dom.
hold it. This is me. I'm Dom. I am the bomb. And welcome. Thanks. All right, as I was saying, we're going to meal prep some stuff, some food. I'm about to make some dinner. I just wanted to say welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make a chicken Caesar sandwich for dinner. All right, so for the breaded patties, what you're gonna do is need egg and breadcrumbs. These are the breadcrumbs that I used. This is one brand. Once this is almost done, I'm going to use this brand. So if you can find either or, breadcrumbs or breadcrumbs, doesn't really matter. So you're gonna need an egg. I put an egg in one bowl and I just whisked it, and then I put breadcrumbs in another bowl. And I'll actually show you. So this is kind of what it's looking like. So here we have this. I'm gonna make these into 6.5 ounces of patties. I'll dip it in here, then I'll dip it on there, and I'll make my breaded patties. Okay, so I'm measuring out 6.5 ounces on the food scale. Then what I'm gonna do is take this and I'm going to dip it in an egg and then dip it in the breadcrumbs after. So right now what I'm doing is just massaging it with the egg to get the coating around it so that the breadcrumbs will stick. Then I'm going to smash it around in the breadcrumbs, and I'll show you in a second what that's looking like. So give me 1 second to get this all breaded and coated. Okay, it's going to look like this at the end, just like covered in breadcrumbs. And so I'm going to take the patty and dip it in the egg, which there's barely any egg left over in here because I'm showing you the last one. And then what I'm gonna do is bring this over into the breadcrumbs and really get it all coated in these breadcrumbs so that it can taste good. I have had a really hard time eating protein if it's just plain, so I really have to find ways to season it. So this is what the patties look like seasoned. Now what I'm gonna do is bake it on the stovetop. Okay, next I'm gonna show you guys how I make my French fries. So these are the potatoes that I get. They're just like these mini potatoes. And what I'll do is I'll cut these into fry form. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on just cutting them into fry form, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I try to cut them as realistically as I can so that they look like French fries. And so I'm gonna just do this with a bunch of them, and then I will show you what I do once I'm done cutting them. All right, I just put it in the air fryer. So these are what the fries are looking like. Now I'm going to spray this on top, and I'm also going to add some salt, and I'll put it in the air fryer for about 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll shake it so that other areas can get nice and crispy. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you what the food is looking like. These are what the patties look like so far, breaded. They're just so much, they just taste so much better. And I got the other ones cooking up here. So yeah, here's a little update on that. Also, what I just wanted to say, I'm gonna come over here. What I wanted to say is, I know that it's very time consuming sometimes to meal prep, but what's also time consuming is constantly just being like miserable in your skin and just not chasing your goals. Something's gotta give. Like, you have to have some sort of discipline. You're gonna have to make a commitment to have one thing or the other. All I'm saying is one leads to a better outcome, to more happiness, to living a life of joy, which is all I want for you guys. So a couple hours today means a couple days of success. It is a choice that you have to make, but it is a choice that is going to make you better and set you up for success. All right, this is what the fries are looking like. Now I'm putting in some Dave's Killer Bread into the air fryer to make our chicken sandwich. You guys, this is what my sandwich looks like. I did lettuce with the Primal Kitchen Caesar, and then I added the patty in, and then I added in some cheese. So I'm going to now enjoy some dinner. Okay, guys, I discovered these acai bowls in the supermarket, and ever since I discovered them and tried them, I've been obsessed with them and having them every single day. So let's make a little acai bowl. Okay, so this is what I put in my acai bowl. Again, this is the brand, and I found everything today at Harris Teeter. So everything that you see is coming from there. Usually you can just eat it out of this, but I added my own toppings, so I'm gonna put it into a bowl. Plop that in there. It's a big chunk. And then I'm gonna add 1 spoon of granola butter. You guys, this is so good. You guys know that I love cookie butter, but granola butter is also freaking delicious. So 1 spoon of that. Then I'm gonna add in some granola in chocolate sea salt. Add in some granola. And then I'm also going to add in some banana. So I'm gonna actually add in the whole banana. I'm way too lazy to cut this banana into nice chunks. Oh well, this is just the reality of being absolutely starving after a workout. Okay, this is what the granola bowl looks like. So good, you guys. So Richard has a gig tonight, and I'm just so proud of him and his band. They've just been doing like an incredible job, just like getting so many gigs. And we're also going to New York because he is going to be playing in New York. So I decided to get him I got him 2 new shirts today from, what's the brand? Southern Athletica? No, that's not the brand. I don't know what the brand is, but I can't seem to remember. But I think the store that I got it from is called Dumas and Son. And so I got him 2 new shirts, and he just left, and he was like, what should I wear to the gig tonight? And I was like, I don't know, I'll take a look at your closet. But he doesn't know, but I have surprised him with 2 new shirts that he could wear. So when he opens that, I will show you guys. But I'm currently going to make a little card for him and just tell him like how proud I am of him. And then once he gets back home, he'll be able to open it. So that's kind of what's going down right now. Secure the bag. I want these, but we can get these too.
I like those. It's stretchy, it's breathable, and
Show them.
flowy. You can move in it. And most of all, it is alive.
So bringing you guys through this workout, I did 0.6 of a mile run on the treadmill. And then after that, I went right into the sled push. Usually I'm here for about 4 minutes just pushing this thing down and back. Then I'll go into 500 meters on the skier machine. And then after that, I'll finish with 50 wall balls. And I just repeat this circuit until an hour is up. And that's what I did for this workout. Currently July 5th. I'm on my way to the gym to get my high rocks training done today. I hope you had an amazing 4th of July. I had a pretty chill 4th of July. I woke up at 10 o'clock in the morning. I can't believe it that I slept that late. I never sleep that late. I just have been designing a bunch of new programs that are coming out very shortly, like Shredded AF Round 2. And when I dive into starting something new, it like just consumes my brain, which means like I don't sleep. I don't know what to do about it. I've tried to take melatonin. I tried taking a couple of other supplements to help me sleep. But when work gets a little bit crazy and I get excited about it, I just don't sleep. So I was able to sleep in yesterday, but it's currently 7:30. It is July 5th. On the way to do my high rocks training. I wanted to say that we woke up today you're alive, you're watching this video. That is every reason to have a smile on your face and to just be grateful for today. So I have my electrolytes. I'm slugging these. These are the Element electrolytes, and I'm going to get myself to the gym, and let's have another beastly workout, and let's have a great day. Just wanted to start your day with a smile. Thanks for being here, and let's get into this vlog. I just got home from the gym, and all I can say is holy shit. Today's workout was a minute of everything. So we did a minute of, let me think for a second. My brain just doesn't want to work. Okay, we did a minute of bent over rows to clean, to press. And we did that for a minute. Then you went into a minute of burpee broad jumps. Then you went into a minute of farmer carries, a minute of wall balls, and a minute of deadlifts. And we did that for 4 rounds. Then finished with a minute on the ski, a minute plank, a minute on the row for 3 rounds. So it was a very good strength day based program today, which is really good because I've been running so much, and today I actually did not run. I just like warmed up on the treadmill. That was it. So that was an incredible workout. Now it's 10 o'clock. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to eat first, or I know I need to record a workout for you guys for YouTube. So I might just go record that workout. I'm just probably going to do a 30-minute workout with you guys. I've been using like very light weights when I go live for you guys because I just want to like make sure that I don't get injured. So I use very light weights, but you guys still need to be using heavy weights during the workouts. So I'm probably just going to go record that and then eat breakfast. I'll show you guys like some eating, but it's already 10 o'clock and I have so much work that I need to get done and I'm just procrastinating it. But I wanted to say 3 positive things, because when I say 3 positive things and you guys listen, you are also basically saying those 3 positive things, and then maybe you can have a more positive and happy day. So the first thing that I wanted to say is I am proud of my consistency and just showing up even on the hard days, even when I don't want to, because showing up is so important, and I'm so proud that I've shown up for myself, and I'm so proud of you. No matter how long you've been showing up, you are showing up, and maybe today is the first day that you are going to show up, and if you are, I'm proud of you. The second thing that I am just happy about is I get to do this every day. I get to walk, I get to lift, I get to go to the gym, I get to get in my car and drive to the gym. I get to do these workouts. I have a body that allows me to do this, and for that I'm just like unconditionally blessed that I can at any time just go work out. That's something that I will never take for granted, and I feel so lucky that I'm able to do that. And the last thing I'm happy about is just this platform and all my platforms, you know, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube now, and even my app on the App Store. I'm just so grateful for all of these platforms, and I'm working so hard on every single one to just give you guys so much content that I can. And I'm just so proud of my grind season and how much I've put into it, because I see how much joy you guys get out of it, especially the workouts and like the help with nutrition. And that is something that makes me so happy, is helping other people. So those are 3 positive things that I just wanted to think about today. And maybe this inspires you to say 3 positive things to yourself. Also, I just quickly wanted to say thank you, God, for today, for another day on earth, for a blessing to be able to be here, to use my voice for good, to maybe make someone smile. Please bless any person that is listening to this video, and just put your hands over them in their life, that they are able to achieve it all, and no matter what they're going through, they know that they can rely on you. In Jesus' name, amen. I currently wanted to say that too. I'm going to make an effort to make sure I pray in every single vlog of mine. So, all right, let's get inside. I'm probably just going to go right to the back to record a workout, and then I'll catch you guys after to eat some food. Have reached that point in the day where I need a little coffee as a pick-me-up. Also, look how cute this set is. I found it off of Amazon, you guys. I'm telling you, Amazon be popping off. It is currently 2:06 right now, and I have literally just been working this whole time, making new workout programs for my clients, and then just making some new meal plans, and just getting all of my ducks in order before the weekend. I really try to get everything done before the weekend. That way, over the weekend, I can enjoy my weekends. But I'm currently programming for Shredded AF round 2. So I am probably going to have to do some work during the weekend to be able to do that because it comes out in 1 week and I really need to start grinding on that. This is the cold brew that I'm going to use. And then this is the creamer. I thought I had another creamer. Do I not? Oh, I'm kind of running out of this creamer. Oh yes, I do have another creamer. I knew it. Okay. The creamer that I have today is this sweet cream creamer. So I'm going to use this one instead. I think this is old actually, so I'm just going to throw that out. I'm about to meal prep some more food, so of course I'm going to do a little voiceover. The first thing I'm grabbing from the fridge is Zevia in the flavor creamy root beer. It is literally the best. We're also making crock pot chicken, so we just put the chicken in the crock pot. We add salsa, we add lime, we add seasoning. And then I went into making my lunch for this week, which is going to be pasta. So I started off by making 93.7% lean ground beef, then weighing it out, adding in the pasta, adding in the sauce, then adding in the cheese. Something about me is I do prep ahead for the week, meaning that I'll try to make as many meals as I can so that I'm successful during the week. Then I'm going to make sweet potato chunks for my dinner. So I just put that in the air fryer. I add some olive oil and then I add some salt and I'll put that in the air fryer. This is what they come out to be, super crispy and delicious. Then I'll put some asparagus in the air fryer as well, and then I'm making these breaded patties again. So I'm going to be eating these breaded patties with the asparagus and with the sweet potatoes. With this, I'm also having Quest chips. It's just another way to get 17 grams of protein, and there we have another meal. Today I'm going to be talking about maybe things you didn't know that you needed to hear, or maybe things that you don't want to hear that you do need to hear. So I think the first thing that we're going to start off with is, why not you? Why can't it be you? Why shouldn't it be you? Why can't you go after this one thing? I think we're so quick to say, that can't be me, that's never going to be me, I'm not going to do that. Or why say, I wonder what it could be? In my mindset, I'm always saying, I'm going to work every single day to see what it is going to be. I never say, I wonder what it could be if I went and did this. I wonder what my life would be like if I went and chased this dream and this goal. I wonder what it would be. I have never said that in my life. I have only said, I wonder what it's going to be because I'm going to do it. A lot of you guys want to do these incredible things, but instead you sit around and you watch other people do incredible things. Why can't it be you? Other people doing these things are living proof that you can do it as well. You know, I've watched myself just change completely from not following what everyone else says, and from also not just comparing myself to other people and just going after and chasing my own dreams. It's never been the fact that maybe I'm the fastest or the strongest or that I am the best at what I like to do. There is always areas where I can learn, where I can get better, but that's never once stopped me from starting and just going like forwards. There's never once stopped me from just trying to accomplish every single thing that I can. So I guess my question today is, don't keep going every single day wondering what it could be like for you. Don't keep going every single day wondering what this future could be if you were to exercise and you were to sign up for that challenge that you wanted, or you were to study for that degree, or to go after that job that you wanted. Don't sit around and wonder what it could be. Instead, get up and go chase after